Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. And here we go. We're making fudgy chocolate brownies. These fudgy chocolate brownies are rich, dense, and packed with deep chocolate flavor. No box mix needed, just simple ingredients and one bowl for the ultimate homemade brownie recipe. Perfect for dessert, bake sales, or anytime you're craving chocolate. These easy brownies deliver crackly tops, gooey centers, and perfectly chewy bite every time. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Then we're going to prepare a 9 by 13 pan with parchment paper. We're going to chop up our chocolate in a medium stainless steel saucepan. We're going to melt the butter and chocolate over low heat. We're going to stir that constantly until smooth. Then we're going to remove that from the heat. We're going to whisk in the sugar until glossy. Then we're going to add in the eggs one at a time, whisking well after each addition. Then we're going to stir in the vanilla extract. Alright, so in another bowl we're going to get our dry ingredients together. We're going to whisk our flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Now I like to sift my cocoa powder because usually it's full of lumps. It makes it much easier to mix. Then we're going to fold our dry ingredients into the chocolate mixture until just combined. Do not overmix. Pour the batter into our prepared pan. Smooth out the top with a spatula, make sure it's in all the corners. Then we're going to bake that in our preheated oven until the edges are set and the center is slightly soft. Then we're going to cool that completely on a wire rack. Then we're going to lift that out and slice it into squares. So there it is, chocolate fudge brownies. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.